कमल सर की ज्योग्राफी की फंडे अब कभी नहीं आएंगे अंडे। स्टूडेंट्स, what is the difference between air and wind? Air is a mixture of gases. Gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and so on. When this air moves, it is called wind. Air is a matter and has weight. Is weight? Air has a weight. We will do an experiment to show that air has a weight. ये दो गुब्बारे ਵਿੱਚ ਹਵਾ ਭਰ ਲਈ ਹੈ, ਲਗਭਗ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹਨ। ਇੱਕ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਵਾ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਇਹ ਪਾਰਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂ? ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਵਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ। 에ਅਰ ਨੋ 에ਅਰ, ਭਾਵ ਹਵਾ ਦਾ ਭਾਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। Air has a weight. Students, today's our topic is atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Atmospheric pressure, force exerted by the air on the surface of the earth, it is called atmospheric pressure. Students, we measure temperature with the help of thermometer. We measure atmospheric pressure with the help of barometer. Factors affecting atmospheric pressure. First is height above the sea level. Students, atmospheric pressure is very high on the surface of the oceans, that is 29.92 inches or 76 centimeter or 760 millimeters. Near the surface of the ocean, atmospheric pressure is very high. But as we move upward, the air becomes light and less dense. That is why as we move upward, the atmospheric pressure goes on decreasing. Second point is temperature. Taapman. Temperature and atmospheric pressure has negative relation. If temperature is high, atmospheric pressure will be less. If temperature is less, atmospheric pressure will be high. When the sun rays fall on the surface of the earth, the air becomes hot and it becomes light and rise upward due to the temperature. And third point is humidity. If air is filled with water vapors, that air will be heavy. And if air is dry, its weight is less. You know, near the water bodies, the air get moisture and that is a heavy air. As we move away from the water bodies, the air is dry and light. Do you know why the air moves or moves very fast? Atmospheric pressure is of two types: high pressure, low pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. If the high pressure is strong and the low pressure is weak, the speed of the wind will be more, or we can say that speed depends upon the difference between the high pressure and the low pressure. Okay, I will ask you a question and you have give me the answer. I am going to draw two buckets filled with water. This is bucket A, this is B. I will make 3 holes in both the buckets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Water is coming out from the holes. You have to give me the answer which figure is right. Remember the pressure of the air. Isobars, those lines on a map connecting points having the same atmospheric pressure at a given time or a period. I hope you understand this topic, that is atmospheric pressure.